Hello everyone, and welcome to this video. Let's make our Python code interactive using input function in only 1 minute. So the input function, this function that I'm talking about, lets you get text from the user. So for example, in this line, this displays the question and waits for the user to type something. Whatever they type gets stored in the variable called name here. And then we use the print function here with an F string, which is going to say hi back. For example, it is going to print hello and then the name that the user actually entered earlier. So one thing to remember is that the input function always gives you a string, even if the user types a number. And boom, you're now making your program interactive. So when I run this code, it says, what's your name? Exactly this question. I write down my name, I enter, and it says, hello, Reza, hello. And the name is something that I entered earlier. Thank you for watching.